Hello, geckos. I hope your first day of distance learning went well. I'm sure you had a lot of questions, and I'm sure it was really great to connect back with some of your classmates and your teachers as well. I wanted to share with you that I had a chance yesterday to join Mrs. Hetzel's fourth grade class in their morning meeting, in their Zoom meeting. And again, it was great to see all their faces, and it was awesome to reconnect with them and to hear all the cool things that they've been doing over the last couple weeks while at home. I hope to be able to do to join some of your classes morning meetings as well coming up in the future. I look forward to seeing you. We did have a couple questions yesterday for some of the PE stuff that was posted. One of those questions was, where are the students or parents supposed to turn in some of the work? The answer to that is you don't have to turn in work anywhere. So it is not required to take pictures. It is not required to record any information and send it to us right now. What we want you to do is to concentrate on being active and to also being active and having fun. If you want to turn in some of the work right now, if you want to take pictures or videos of you doing the activity, Mr. D and I would think that would be awesome, and we'd love to see it. And you could post that on Seesaw or on Twitter if you or your parents have it. But Seesaw or Schoology, those would be the best ways if you're fourth and fifth Schoology, if you're K3 Seesaw. Also, just to kind of clarify what we're doing today is we have the choice of doing Zumba, and you can click on that link that's located right there, or you have the choice of performing the dance that's on this link. So if you click on that, a cool dance will pop up and with music and all that kind of stuff, and you can choose to do it, or you can choose to do both if you'd like. After you're done doing Zumba or dance, whichever your preference is, go down here and you can read that it says that you are going to pick two of the activities, just like yesterday. Pick two of the activities from this choice list right here. Okay, so building a fort in or out, inside or outside, running up and down your steps for 5 minutes, run laps or 5 laps around your house. You can choose to do two of those activities. They can be the same ones that you did yesterday, or they can be different ones. It's up to you. Just trying to stay active. Again, we do not have to record those or take pictures if you don't want. I did get some pictures and videos from students yesterday. I thought it was really awesome to see, but that is completely up to you. Again, I showed you that today we have Zumba or dance, so make sure that you are being active and have fun with it. Zumba and dance are really great ways to get some exercise. It's supposed to be a little, the weather's supposed to be a little cooler today and possibly some rain. So maybe get outside this morning if you can. Make sure you're being safe and staying active, and I look forward to seeing all of you.